Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to add checklists to tasks in Monday.com. This simple yet powerful feature will help you keep track of all the moving parts of your projects. Firstly, you'll need to open up the task you want to add a checklist to. Find the task in your board and click on its name. This will open the task's details panel. We do this because the checklist feature is found within these individual task panels, and it's here where we'll be able to add, modify, and check off items. Once you've opened the task details, look for the Add Updates section. Next to it, you'll see an icon shaped like a checklist. Click on that. This opens up the checklist creation interface. The reason we do this is because Monday.com has made checklists a part of the task's update and comment system to keep everything neatly together. Now, you can start adding items to your checklist. Simply type the name of the task into the text box and hit Enter. Repeat this process for as many tasks as you need to add. This helps us because each item you add will become a separate checklist point that can be ticked off independently. You can also add subtasks to each item by clicking on the three dots next to the item and selecting Add Subitem. Adding subtasks is a great way to break down complex tasks into smaller, more manageable parts. Finally, when you've added all your tasks and subtasks, click on the Done button at the bottom to save the checklist. Now, every time you open the task, you'll see your checklist right there, ready for you to tick off as you complete each item. And that's it. You've now created a checklist in Monday.com. Remember, using checklists not only helps you stay organized, but it also gives you a sense of progress as you tick off tasks, keeping you motivated. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.